The moratorium on amendments to the land code can be extended to 5 years. Such unanimous opinion was voiced in Astana at the 10th meeting of the Commission on Land Reform. The proposal was sent to the Parliament for consideration. If the proposal gets adopted, the review and inventory will be conducted to account whether the land is being used, to whom and how, and for what they were given out. Also, it was proposed to establish a special fund where all data about the location and area of free land will be stored. Members of the group came up with a proposal to suspend activities. Participants had reviewed and heard out suggestions of 70,000 people on the issue within 3 months. All of this time, the discussions on amendments to the land code were hot topics. Our commission worked out its position for all issues, which are based on the proposals of residents of Kazakhstan. All the proposals that were put forward within 5 years will be included in amendments to the land code and introduced to the parliament. Later, the parliament will consider it within the restraints of our constitution.
Изменения в земельный кодекс внесены в парламент, и парламент уже будет рассматривать, как это у нас положено по конституции.
Я хочу сказать, что все-таки наша комиссия.
I want to say that after all, our committee has done a good job. We have identified current problems and have learned problematic issues in this field. 10 proposals were developed to solve the land questions. It was proposed to maintain the land lease for 49 years, but it is necessary to strengthen control over the rational use of land, ensure transparency of public bids for their provision, and set the maximum size of land available for rent by Kazakhstanis. In general, the working committee carried out an effective and fruitful work, and it is now up to the president of the country to decide the further process. The second part of the land reform has a very important question. I want to thank our people. I want to express my gratitude to our president, who closely studied the wishes of citizens and declared a moratorium. I think that the Commission's work was fruitful. The establishment of the Land Commission was the right decision, and we are grateful to our president. This is a very important step in the development of our democracy. It was a large-scale work. Each member of the Commission worked to achieve good results.